Hello, Bacha Party. Welcome to the another lecture of Science chapter number 2nd of standard 6, component of food. Yeah. So in the previous lecture we had completed the two topics. One is of the introduction and another is from the nutrients. There is a subtopic is that carbohydrate and the protein. Clear? So what we have studied, let's recall that in the carbohydrate, what we have studied that carbohydrate provides us the energy, and even that we had done one experiment through which we can find that in the any of the material or any of the thing, is it the starch is present or not? So sir, where is the starch is comes from? Starch is the sub part of the carbohydrate. In the carbohydrate there is a two part, sugar and the starch. Even that the protein have also the two parts, the animal protein and the plant protein. Clear? And what is the protein actually? Protein means what? The food which provides bodybuilding. Like when you are going in the gym, on that time the gym trainer always told that use this type of protein, use meat and the chicken, even that soya beans. So this type of things can give you the proteins. Clear? Now we are going to further that fats, vitamin, minerals and the water. Okay, so we are come in the next slide so we can done the further process. Clear? So students, today we are going to start the new topic about the fats and the vitamins. Clear? From the nutrients. This is Sufyan Sarved explaining you the better concept with easier example. Clear? So actually what is fats? Before I go through this, let's explain. When we are eating the things, our body become fats. Yes or no? Yes. If you are eating oily thing or any of the things, our body gain weight. Yeah? So, sir, is it the weight is useful to us or not? Of course, Bacha Party. Weight is useful our body. How? Because in our nature, nothing is useless. जो भी है नेचर में, कुछ भी है कुदरत ने बनाया है, वो सब कुछ यूजफुल है. How? In our body, if we gain, put on our weight, or if the person have the fats, how they can support? Weight can support the tissues. It supports our skeletals. All the things it always support to us. Let's watch it. What they have. Weight also provides us the energy, because when in the winter season there is very coolness. So if the person have weight, or we can say if the person's fat or they have more weight, then they can't get coolness. Why? Because the body become warm. How? Because the fats provides the energy. Clear? So provide the energy to our body twice compared to the carbohydrate. Carbohydrate provides the energy, but at the same time fats provides the double energy. Clear? Provide support to our body and insulate the soft tissues and organs. Clear? So we know very well that our body is made up of, live with the body. In the nature, all the things are made up of the small particles. Clear? So in the living organism, the small particle is known as what? Cells. Clear? And the bundle of cells prepare the tissues. Clear? And we know very well that when we are observing our hand or any of the portion, we can observe the small type of cracks. इस तरह से सब जुड़ा हुआ होता है. And these all the things are tissues. If you are observing the cereals like a CID and all that type of cereals, वो बोलेंगे tissues इसका मिला है, इसका tissues मिला है, उसमें से DNA sample मिल जाएगा. Clear? So our all the parts are not heavy. हर एक पोर्शन होगा ना वो एकदम हार्ड और हेवी नहीं होगा. So the tissues which is very soft, the fats provide the supports and insulating. Means it's simple, we can say that fat is known as what? Guard. Sir, guard, yes, like a security guard. Fat is the guard of our body. Clear? Now, how we can, sir, get the fats? With the two things. One is from the animal, another is from the plant. Sir, animal means the product which you are obtained from the animal. From that we can get the fats. Clear? That milk, another that ghee, butter, buttermilk, cheese, many of the things. Clear? The same time, sir, plant, the oil which we are using at our home to prepare any of the things like sunflower oil, another is a coconut oil, soya bean oil, many of the oils are present. Clear? So oils are also present the fat. Sir, is it any of the taste to get the know that fat is available in this substance? Yes, bacha mati. Okay, so when I will give you the particular this experiment, it's known about the activity. Clear? So how? What you have to do? Just take the things which is prepared from oil, or if you don't know it's prepared from oil, take the things, and what you have to do? Take one paper and put the things on the paper. Now crush it with the paper. Clear? वो thing, वो जो भी चीज है उसको आप crush कर दो. Clear? Now what you have to do? Now remove the things from the paper and observe in the light. If you find that oily patch on the paper, or we can say the translucent paper. Clear? Which paper? मतलब के the light can be transferred, not permanently, पूरी की पूरी नहीं, but थोड़ी बहुत भी transfer होगी from that oily patch. Clear? So we can say that the thing is have the fats. Clear? But Chapati, wait a minute. Before you do this activity, we know very well that all the things have some of the water, and because of the water also we can found some of the patch on the water. दब्बे लग जाते हैं ना water में. So what you have to do? Just crush the thing and for 5 or 10 minutes leave. Clear? Leave it some place. So if there is a water, then it can be a dry up. Clear? And after you can observe the things. If the oily stage is available, then you can say that what? Yes, but chapati, the fats is available. Like when you eat in the Gujarat or in the Saurashtra, फाफड़ा जलेबी बहुत लजीज है सबके लिए. क्लियर? सो when you take the फाफड़ा or jalebi and place it in the particular one paper, and when you crush it, what you can observe? Yes, oily patches. So फाफड़ा, jalebi, all the things contain the fats. Clear? It is good for health, but too much. जो चीज़ है ना, आपको एक सिंपल बताता हूँ, लिमिट में हो तो अच्छी है, आउट ऑफ लिमिट तो बुरी है. क्लियर? नाउ द अनदर थिंग इज दैट फ्रॉम आवर न्यूट्रिएंट्स देयर इज एन विटामिन. क्लियर? नाउ द विटामिन आर मेनी ऑफ द विटामिन्स आर देयर. क्लियर? विटामिन ए, बी, सी, डी. क्लियर? के, ई. सो सर, हाउ वी कैन रिमेंबर? देयर इज अ टू टाइप ऑफ मेनली विटामिन्स आर देयर फॉर्म. One is that what? One is that water soluble vitamin. Another is what? Fat soluble. In the further portion, this thing is not available in your book, but it is very important to know. Clear? ज्ञान मिले वो ले लो, कहीं ना कहीं कभी ना कभी काम आएगा. Because when you get all the knowledge from the vitamin से आपको जो भी knowledge मिलेगी ना, then it is very useful to you and your family also. If any of the deficiency is available or the lack of vitamin, by watching the person or by watching their signs, you can say that this vitamins deficiency in your body, you can eat this thing, so you can get the vitamin and you are become cured. Clear? So you have to give the precautions. So vitamin are mainly in the two form. There is a water soluble vitamin and the fat soluble vitamin. If you are from the NCERT course, there is a, some of the questions are over there. But if you are another course, then also we will cover all the topics and you can understand many more the things. Clear? Now vitamin A, vitamin B complex. Why there is a written that B complex? It's a simple that you can say the complex or the apartment. Clear? Apartment complex क्यों बोलते हैं? Because there is a subgroup of that. Clear? So it's not a simple B. It's a B complex, means there is a sub part over there. Clear? Vitamin C, vitamin D, vitamin K. Clear? So how it can be important? What's the need of that vitamin? Which vitamin gives a better thing? All the things we will discuss on the further slide. Clear? So first of all, what is actually vitamin? This is A, B, C, D is the sub part. Clear, bacha? But actual what is vitamin? That we have to know. So vitamin is essential for the proper working of the body. If there is no vitamin, then our body is not going to be a work properly. Clear? Do not provide the energy. Clear, bacha? Vitamin is not provide the energy, but it provides some of the things like it's going to be a working on. It's like if you are thinking about the machineries. Clear? If you have a machineries or if you have the cycle. Clear? And we know that the cycle need many of the things like tire, many of the things, but at the same time, if the cycle is available for a long time at one place, then what they have? Corrosion they have. Clear? So to release that corrosion, to work the cycle properly, what we are doing? We are injecting the oil. Oiling हम करते हैं ना. Why? Because it work properly. Oil से चलती तो है लेकिन properly नहीं चलती ना. तो oil करने से क्या होगा? चलेगी. Clear? The same thing is vitamin provides to this simple person. Clear? So vitamin is one type of oiling in the human body. Clear? So they provides the proper working of the body, but not provide the energy. Clear? Protecting our body against disease like deficiency disease. If there is a lack of the vitamin, there is a many of the disease can be attacked to our body. Which are there? How? That will go in the further slide. Write in your book or take a screenshot. तो आपके सामने है नई हमारी स्लाइड. खुशी खुशी मौज के साथ पढ़ते जाइए हमारे इस सर के साथ, सुफियान सरवेद के साथ. एंड इफ यू लाइक द वीडियो तो लाइक जरूर कीजिए और हर बच्चे को शेयर कीजिए ताकि उसे भी नॉलेज मिल पाए. क्लियर बच्चा वाली? तो we had comes here a huge and amazing trick to understand the fat soluble and the water soluble, because there is a lots of vitamins are there, but to divide that vitamin and to remember that vitamin is quite difficult. A B C D बहुत सारे है, ठीक है विटामिन. अब ये इसमें आता है, ये इसमें आता है, कैसे करोगे? तो आपके लिए हम लेके आए हैं कुछ ट्रिक. क्लियर? सो दिस फर्स्ट ट्रिक टू अंडरस्टैंड दैट फैट सोल्यूबल विटामिन्स, दैट फरारी से आए दो कुल्ली. क्या सर? फरारी से आए दो कुल्ली. F stands for fat, A stands for soluble. Clear? And we are finding for the vitamins. So fat soluble vitamins I, A for A, D, and the kulli for the K. Clear? So it's so easy. By remembering this statement, Ferrari से आए दो कुल्ली, Ferrari से आए सर दो कुल्ली. From that we are getting that, and this can be asked in the 1 marks question. Clear? वहां से B कॉम्प्लेक्स में चले, वहां से B कॉम्प्लेक्स में चले. Clear? When we are asking the address or when we are saying to our friends, वहां से चलते, चलो वहां से चलो, तो वहां से B कॉम्प्लेक्स में चले. Clear? So this is the short tricks that वहां stands for the water, S stands for the soluble, and B complex. There is already our vitamin, so B complex, and Chale is for the C. So what is the amazing thing? Yes, write this in your note, even that write in the different book that you have to take with yourself. आपके साथ हमेशा वो रहे ना वैसी बुक में, because ये सब तो लिख के आप रख दोगे रद्दी में, सर ये कुछ अच्छा आपको मिल रहा है. Even that if you are go to the clinic or any of the hospital, doctor give you the directly medicine, or they told you that हाँ ये हुआ है. If you are going to the doctor, you are saying my head is paining, I can't see properly, this is okay, this is a problem. They make the toast to your eyes and okay, and give you the medicine, but they are not saying that what's the wrong with you. Clear Bachawati? So for that we had come here to explaining that what's happened to you with the help of this chapter and with the help of extra knowledge. यहाँ से पढ़ोगे तो extra knowledge मिलेगा, लेकिन knowledge कहीं से भी मिले, gain करना important है. Clear बच्चा? कहीं से भी लो, लेकिन knowledge लेना. Clear? So first of all, we will study the fat soluble vitamin. After that, we will come to the water soluble vitamin. Fat soluble means it going to be mixed with the oil, even that butter. Clear? So vitamin A. What is the vitamin A? So we had heard the things, all the things, huh? But we don't know about it. Okay, look at here. So vitamin A is what? It's protect our eyes, skin, hair, if your hair is falling. But wait a minute, actually by the scientifically research, every day each and every person lose their 100 hairs. Clear? On an average 100 hairs तो गिरेंगे, but when you comb your hair, एक साथ इतने सारे बाल आ रहे हैं, हर बार जितनी बार किया हर बार बाल आए, means what? There is a deficiency of vitamin A. So you have to eat such type of a product so you can get the vitamin A. No need to eat the artificial thing like medicines. From the nature we can get all the things. Clear bachawadi? So look at here. So protect our eyes, skins and hair, means or if we have some amount of vitamins are needed in the some quantity, not a huge, itni sari nahi chahiye. Some quantity it is enough to use. Clear? Like if you are putting the oil in the particular chain of the cycle, you are putting all the oils? No, some amount of oil. Why? Because it is quite needed to things. Itni zarurat thi. Clear? So if there is a lack of vitamin A, there is a problem of skin, hairs and the eyes. Clear? So when you eat the what? Milk, butter, egg, mango, papaya, fish liver oil and many of the things. Clear? Such type of things you can get and recover your body. Clear? So if you are eat daily, you have to eat green vegetables, milk, and if you are eating the egg, then it's good. So from the milk, egg, green vegetables, meats, they provide all the things: protein, fats, vitamin, carbohydrates, minerals. So it's हर चीज दे रहा है. Clear? So it's glow your fairness also. You're not supposed to use the all the like materials. I don't want to give their names. Clear? So deficiency goes for the word night blindness. At the night, if the person are not able to see properly, कुछ दिख नहीं रहा है, बहुत धुंधला दिख रहा है दूर का. Clear? Or if their eyes is straining also, means what? There is a lack of vitamin A. So you have to eat what the things? Mango. कच्चे आम नहीं, लेकिन मैंगो खाना है. Clear? After that, papaya, milk, butter, fish liver oil also, meat also. Clear बच्चा बाटे? Now, vitamin C. Clear? Okay, we directly jump it here. So एक एक क्वेश्चन लेते जा रहे हैं. So vitamin C is what for? Or leave it. We will do it in the further session. But we will complete the next topic, that vitamin D. Clear बच्चा? So you can write this all the things. I will come in a 1 second. Clear? Or take a screenshot. तो बच्चा वाटी आपके सामने है नई स्लाइड दैट विटामिन डी. क्लियर? जुड़े रहिए तो हर घर में ज्ञान का गोला जरूर मिलेगा. कद्दू बढ़ेगा, कद्दू कटेगा तो सब में बढ़ेगा. लाइक दैट ज्ञान बिखरेगा तो सब में पहुंचेगा अगर आप सपोर्ट करेंगे तो. क्लियर? सो vitamin D, you are always familiar that vitamin D, that from the sunlight we are getting the vitamin D, but no बच्चा बाटी, from the sunlight we are not getting the vitamin D. सर क्या बोल दिया, रहस्य से पर्दा उठा दिया सर ने. Okay, look at here. So help the body to use calcium for formation of a strong bone in the teeth. When there is a lack of vitamin, the doctor are prescription that you have to use this type of medicine, this type of medicine. Some of the doctor they are giving you the directly that you can eat this type of product so you can get the vitamins. Clear? So how they can help? So vitamin D is help for what? To use the calcium. They are using the calcium for what? The formation of a strong bones and the teeth. If your teeth is weak or your bone is weak, means what? There is a lack of vitamin D. So vitamin D is what? Use the calcium. Clear? Now, sir, how we can get that vitamin D if our bone and teeth are weak? आपके दांत बार बार गिर जा रहे हैं, क्या करोगे? तो ये खाइए बच्चा बाटी. So milk you have to use, butter, green vegetable, sunlight. Sir, sunlight you will tell that sunlight is not give us the vitamin D. Look at बच्चा बाटी. Help. Okay, help our body. If otherwise you are thinking that sir this is a D. Okay, help our body skin preparing vitamin D. Okay, sunlight is not giving the vitamin D, like sunlight is not giving the fruits. It's just help the chlorophyll and the photosynthesis process. वो सिर्फ process में help करता है. Like that, sunlight is for what? Helping our skin to prepare the vitamin D. Vitamin D skin में से ये prepare होगा, but with the help of what? Sunlight. Sunlight is not giving the vitamin D, it's just helping our body to prepare the vitamin D. Note down this thing बच्चा बाटी, because it's a very important thing. अब तक जो भी knowledge मिलता रहा था लेकिन clear concept के साथ में. Like sir, there is sunrise and sunset. No बच्चा बाटी, there is no sunset or there is no sunset. The earth is rotating, and because of that we can observe that sun is rising and sun is at the center. वो बीच में ही है, अर्थ घूम रहा है. दिन रात होती है लेकिन सन चल नहीं रहा है, सन तो वही है. क्लियर बच्चा बाटी? So जुड़े रहिए सुफियान सरवेद के साथ. क्लियर? Now sir, if there is a deficiency of vitamin D, then what's happened? Clear? So deficiency of vitamin D causes the ricket. Sir, ricket? Yes, it's the softening and the weakening of bone. Clear? There is a deficiency of vitamin D, then the bone is going to be a softening and the weakening. Clear? Now the further tricks and all the vitamins, knowledge and many more are for the surprise for you. Till then, do whatever you want to do, man, but don't trouble your parents. And tuning with us, stay home and stay safe. Goodbye.